Hello friends, welcome to the Point. In this session, we are discussing about Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0 scheme. So why we are discussing about this topic? So recently, the Intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0 scheme, it has been rolled out to cover children and the pregnant women who missed routine immunization during COVID-19 pandemic. So now let's have a brief discussion about Mission Indradhanush. So what are the key points of this? So that is, what is the objective? So the objective of Mission Indradhanush 3.0 or 3.0 is to reach the unreached population with all the available vaccines under Universal Immunization Program UIP, and thereby to accelerate the full immunization and complete immunization coverage of children and pregnant women. So what are the things are covered in this scheme? So it will have 2 rounds this year, that is in the year 2021, which will be conducted in 250 pre-identified districts or urban areas across 29 states or union territories. So the districts have been classified to reflect 313 low risk, 152 medium risk and 250 high risk district. So the beneficiaries from migration areas and remote areas, they would be targeted as they may have missed their vaccine during this pandemic situation. So the main significance of this scheme is that it will foster India's march towards the Sustainable Development Goals. So this Mission Indradhanush, it is an universal immunization program. So what is this universal immunization program? So immunization program in India, it was first introduced in the year 1978 as it is expanded program of immunization by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So in the year 1985, this program was modified as Universal Immunization Program. So this is to be implemented in a phased manner to cover all the districts in our country by 1989 to 1990 with one of the largest health program in the world. So Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, it provides several vaccines to infants, children and pregnant women through the Universal Immunization Program. So from the long time we are discussing about immunization. What is actually immunization is? So immunization, it is nothing but the process where a person is made immune or resistant to any of the infectious diseases, which is typically maybe an airborne disease or something like that. So this is done by the administration of a vaccine. So vaccines, they are substances that stimulate the body's own immunity power. It builds the body's immune system to protect the person against subsequent infection of a disease. This is called immunization. So the objective of this program that is called Universal Immunization Program is rapid increasing immunization coverage, improving the quality of services, establishing a reliable cold chain system to the health facility level, and introducing a district-wise system for monitoring of performance and achieving self-sufficiency in vaccine production. So this Universal Immunization Program, it prevents the mortality and morbidity in children and pregnant women against 12 vaccine preventable diseases. But in the past, it was seen that the increase in immunization coverage, it has slowed down and it increased at the rate of 1% per year between 2009 to 2013. So this is to accelerate the coverage. Mission Indradhanush, it was envisaged and implemented since 2015 to rapidly increase the full immunization coverage up to 90%. So as I said, the objective of Mission Indradhanush is to fully immunize more than 89 lakh children who are either unvaccinated or partially vaccinated under universal immunization program. So the target group of children are under the age of 2 years of age and the pregnant women for immunization. So the disease covered under this Mission Indradhanush is and provides a vaccination against 12 vaccine preventable diseases like diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, tuberculosis, hepatitis B, meningitis, pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza type B infections, Japanese encephalitis, rotavirus vaccine, pneumococcal conjunctive vaccine, and measles rubella. So, however, vaccines against this Japanese encephalitis and Haemophilus influenza type B infections. So, for this, the vaccines is provided only in a selected district of a country. So, talking about the intensified Mission Indradhanush 1.0, so it was launched in October 2017. So, the coverage under this is, so the greater focus was given on urban areas which were one of the gaps of Mission Indradhanush. So, it focused to improve immunization coverage in selected districts and cities to ensure full immunization to more than 90% by December 2018 instead of December 2020. So next is intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0. So this was launched and we can say it was a nationwide immunization drive to mark the 25 years of Pulse Polio program. That was from 2019-20. The year was 2019-20, and the coverage is that it had targets of a full immunization coverage of 272 districts, which is spread over 27 states, and it aimed to achieve at least 90% pan-India immunization coverage by 2022. So this is all about Mission Indradhanush. See you all in the next session. Thank you.